And then there is the object, which is not so different from array, and we have also touched on that before. So let's just pass in a bunch of things here for the name, for the person. So like I told you before, it takes a key value pair. So when you put in the name, you put in a colon, and then you pass in a name. And then there is an age that can be passed. So you can say 24. You could pass if the person is single, like that, and you can see this is true, and all those beautiful stuff. Then if you choose to access this person, so you could do a console.log and pass the person like that, and it gives you everything inside of it. If you want to access one thing, then you could just access like the name, and then you have it given to you. You could do a loop on top of these two. For example, you could do a for in and stuff like that. You could also check if it has a particular property. So for example, you could check, say, person.has own property, and let's put in name. Try it out, and all right, try it out, and it tells you true because there's the name property. But if we put in, say, car here and try it out, you see it gives us false because it is not part of the keys that we have here. So there's a lot of things you can also do with this. So if you want to check it out, also come to this official documentation and look for object. So this is object, and it has so many things that you could do with it. So one of the things I just saw and remember is that you could get all the keys. So you could just do object.keys rather. So let's do object.keys. This will return all the keys found in this object. All right. So object.keys, and you to return an array of all the keys. Object.value will return all the value that there is. Then object.entries would return the key value pairs as an array of arrays. So just see what happens. And then you now have an array of an array where the first index is the key and the second index is the value. So that is it for objects. So we can go and check this off.